Well, here we go. I'm gonna try and get something to eat. Wish me. Oh my god. This is the back door. I don't even know if I can get out. Look at this. Alright, well. Holy hell. Okay, here we go. Look what I'm wearing today. I can't even tell you the last time I wore these. Still to it, kitties. Oh, it's pretty thick. Golly. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh. Alright, that's down the way. Oh, I almost fell. Okay. Oh, wow. Climb, climb, climb. Climbing, climbing. That's where I just came from. Ugh. Alright, Travis, here I come. Alright, so we go to the garage. Get the garage door opener. Open her up. See what's out there. This is our side street. Oh, not as bad as I thought. Alright, climb, climb, climb again. Alright, gotta close her up. And this is that side street. And here I go. Okay. Let's see what I can find. Ooh, I'm running in my boots. Oh Lord. Look at this. These people made a little trail. Insane in the member. I hope Deluxe Diner is open. I'm starving. Okay. Here we are. Boots doing pretty good so far. I'll fix them up. Okay. Here we go. Da da da. Da 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 dee. Ba ba da dee dee dee. Hoo-wee. You like my singing? Hello. How are ya? Oh, wow. Alright. This is Strange News signing off. Back to you in the studio is Bob. Whoop!